Hey everybody, I'm here at Flatstick Pub in Spokane with John from No Lie.
Hello.
And he's here for a very specific reason.
Yep.
You see, back in March, we had a little Brew Madness going on to coincide with March Madness because we wanted to see who was the best of the best when it came down to local breweries. And so we had all sorts of wonderful breweries from all across the state. And lo and behold, at the end, No Lie stood on top.
Thank you.
That's a cool thing.
Yeah, it was a huge community thing. I mean, if you look, that was a statewide competition where 2 breweries from Spokane represented.
At the end of the contest, the winner was awarded $500 to give to the charity of their choice. No Lie chose Second Harvest Food Bank in Spokane.
We know that there's a huge amount of food crisis during COVID and coming out of COVID. There's a lot of people hurting. This will go a long way. So thank you to everybody in Washington State. Thank you to Second Harvest. Thank you to Washington Grown. Thank you to our community. $500 goes a long way.
It's not just about making beer.
No. We have an obligation and a privilege to serve.
In second place was Hello Brewing, also from Spokane. No Lie teamed up with Hello to celebrate Spokane's growing beer scene.
No Lie reached out to us and he immediately wanted to work together and talk about ways that we can maybe elevate the presence of the Spokane scene immediately. I love Washington hops so much, and it's just great being close to the source. We get them fresher than anything else. For someone small like me, it's really nice to be able to get the hops like the next day.
Now I'm sitting down with Ryan and John to try some of their incredible beers, starting with Hello Brewing.
So this is Julie. This is our flagship hazy IPA.
Cheers, guys.
Salud.
Let me in. Bang.
There it is. There we go. That's
Yeah.
nice. It's bright.
Right in the back end, that citrusy,
Yeah.
almost like a grapefruit.
Yeah. Some grapefruit, touch of pine from the Columbus hops that we have. You can kind of hang out and drink it for at least 2 pints of it.
At least 2, maybe
Yeah.
3.
Stretch it to 3.
Yeah.
And now we've got the Cascade Fog. Cheers, I love that.
right.
There you
Cheers.
go.
Salud.
So we started with a really nice, kind of juicy, hazy yeast strain. Mosaic, Citra hops kind of bring out the vibrancy of it. And we call it the fog because there's a nice layer of sweetness in there in the finish.
Or after you've had a few.
It could be.
Yeah. And it's nice and balanced.
Now let's see what the people of Spokane think about both of these beers, starting with Hello Brewing's Julie.
That's really nice. That's really nice.
It's really like crisp.
It's hoppy, but it's not like overly hoppy.
Really smooth, really mellow.
I do taste the hops, but it's not like overwhelming.
And the color's really nice.
This is just easy to drink.
You went in for another sip. It's that good.
Yeah, it's that good.
I would drink a pint of that for sure.
Or 2. Now let's try No Lie's Cascade Fog.
I really like that one.
That's really good.
I think it's refreshing and it's like juicy almost.
Oh,
Really like simple, easy to drink.
I like that too. It's a little bit more bitter, but not in a bad way.
No, just-
like a nice flavor.
I would definitely drink that on a hot summer's day.
either way, you're happy with these guys.
Both of them, yeah, C+. Yeah.
But I would drink both of them.
Right.
Often, yeah.
What's going on in Spokane, like with Brian and a lot of other breweries, is just amazing. This is some of the best beers in the world.
Well, Washington grown ingredients lead to an incredible Washington produced product.
Yeah.
For both of you guys.
Yeah.
So thank
Awesome
you guys
hops.
so much.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Bring them in. Bring them in.
Boom.